Hello everyone, this is Linda and it is about maybe 1 o'clock and family, we have had no sun here today. The sun is absent. But this baby, yeah y'all, that's lunch. That's lunch. So I'm gonna harvest her. But I'm going down to the Dollar Tree this morning, well this afternoon, and wait a minute y'all, I'm gonna have to put y'all down. This girl was fighting. She didn't want to come up. But this is my purple kohlrabi, and this is a part of my lunch today. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare some lunch. And Ben has called and he have requested some lunch also. He saw me out here, y'all. but I'm, you know, it's all good. It's all good. But I'm going to go down to the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take y'all with me, and then I'm going to share with you all what I purchased. I'm going to find something to pick up over there, okay? I'm going to share it with you all. All right? Let's go. But I'm going to eat first. I'm going to eat first. All right, family. So, you all see I'm in the Dollar Tree, and the seeds are here. They have the seeds out. I saw something here in the Dollar Tree that I've never seen in the Dollar Tree before. So I'm in the Dollar Tree, and yeah, here are the seeds. The seeds are out. So I'm picking up a lot of flower seeds and a lot of onion seeds. But I saw something here that I never saw before. I never saw a Dollar Tree with these seeds. So check it out. This is something I've never seen here in the Dollar Tree before. They got a broccoli Romanesco in the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree got the broccoli Romanesco. Wow. They have some new beans. These are lima beans. I never seen them with these lima beans before. I did get a couple of those. And they have this, I think this candy stripe or something. Yeah, candy cane. That's lacinato kale. These are more onions. Let me get some more of these. Wait a minute, y'all. But check this out, right? So the American seeds are 4 for $1.25. But these premium selects are 2 for $1.25. Did y'all see that? 2 for $1.25. Yeah. So they have the lacinato. That's new for the Dollar Tree. I never seen lacinato kale here. What kind of cabbage? Copenhagen maybe? Yeah. They have that cabbage. They have spinach, crimson sweet melons, watermelons. Yeah. So they got some new stuff, but the price is 2 for $1.25. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm getting some flowers too. Some cosmos. And some delphine, some hollyhocks. Look at that. You're doing really good. Oh, check this out. Mainly, the packaging is really cool. Oh, they have these sunflowers. But there was another sunflower I saw. Oh, I think it was over here. Wait a minute. Oh, here it is. Here. Cool. That's new packaging. Yeah. So they coming up with some new things, I guess, you know. Here is a different pot I haven't seen. It could be old because I haven't been over here in a long time, but that's just to hang on the side of a grow bed, a raised bed. It's to hang over the side of a raised bed. And they got them in different colors. Yeah. And then, you know, they got those stackables. But the seeds are here, baby. They done put them out with these premium seeds with new packaging. Cool Dollar Tree. All right. What is this? Some kind of anchoring stakes. That's really cool. I'm gonna get one. I may need that. I may need that. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'll bring y'all back if I find something interesting. Yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm back home. And this is what I picked up over at the Dollar Tree. So last week when I went to the Dollar Tree, I picked up 10 of these buckets I was telling you all about. And there they are. I picked up 10 today, right? And I picked up this. It's 3 of these little things in here. That's for Jody's house plants, right? And I have some, that's these tarps, right? And I have about 4 of them. I think about 4 of them. Every time I go, I pick up about 4 or 5 of them, right? That's all they had over there. But I wanted to see the how many gallons is in here. Oh, it says 9 quarts. It says 9 quarts, which is about 3.5 gallons. So they have on here 8.6 liters, right? So that's about 3.5 gallons. That's what it is. So this is what I'm gonna grow a lot of my herbs in, my kitchen garden herbs. That's what I'm gonna do with those. And I bought these stakes here. That's these landscape anchoring stakes. I bought those. I bought this little, it's really cute. It's $5, but I'm gonna use it for makeup. I got a lot of makeup and I'm gonna I got makeup everywhere. That's what I'm gonna use it for. But right now, I have seeds in it. I have seeds in it. And I did pick up a couple of those broccoli Romanescos at the Dollar Tree. First time seeing them there, but there they are. So I bought a lot of seeds, you know, just a lot of seeds, flowers, lots and lots of onions. And of course, my favorite Xena, which is the cactus Xena. That's my favorite Xena, y'all. That's her. She's beautiful. So I got a lot of flowers, bachelor buttons, you know, all that good stuff. Some daisies. I got some California poppies, marigolds, the French marigolds, which is, that's the good stuff. Yeah. And I was telling you all about these premium select over there at the Dollar Tree. They 2 for $1.25, right? Like 62 cents a piece or something like that. But that's what they got. And the regular ones are the same old 4 for $1.25. Now, for those who don't know, this is for those who don't know. If you go to the Dollar Tree and you buy seeds for vegetables, right? You can definitely pay for them with your food stamps, right? Yeah, paid for them with your food stamps. If you have food stamps, you could purchase all of your seeds from Dollar Tree, Walmart, right? Any store that sells, any store that takes food stamps, and if they sell seeds, vegetable seeds, then you could purchase them with your food stamps. Okay? All right, y'all. So that is all I bought from the Dollar Tree, and it was a cool little trip. I enjoyed it. Yeah. All right, family. I hope you all have a beautiful day. As I say, we had no sun today, none. And we're supposed to get up to about 80 tomorrow. And Monday, we're going to plummet. The elevator going to go way down. But anyway, hey, that's God's business. I'm going to stay in my house. All right, family. Later, y'all.